Hi everyone, we're going to be doing the review and unboxing of the Echo Show 8. This is the 8-inch diagonal second generation Echo Show. It's from Amazon. So I'll just start with the unboxing first, and we'll go do a mini review of how I think it is. So it comes in this box, nicely packaged. Obviously there's going to be different pieces to it here. So let's just read some of let me just show you some of these features here. 8-inch HD touchscreen, 13 megapixel camera, stereo speakers, Bluetooth, hands-free Alexa, microphone, and camera on-off button. Okay, so it's got a lot of nice features. Comes with the charging cable, and let's see what else it has in the box here. I just think there might be something else in here, I'm not sure. No, I guess that's it for the box. And here's the actual unit. There's obviously the instructions here. So you have your instructions. This is the actual, you can see it okay. This is the actual Show 8. Let me see if I got the right side here. So yes, this is the right side. This is the side that goes down. And obviously, there you go. This is what comes in the box. Instructions, power cable, pretty much it. I think that's all you need. I'm just double checking to see if there's anything else in here, and there's not. Okay, so let's do the unwrapping here. So it's wrapped quite well. It's got looks like a power cable and a port there for charging other devices, I believe. Let's figure out how to open this. These are always tricky, because you don't know where they start and where they end. This is the white version. Obviously it does also come in black. So yeah, it's a pretty nice device. This will be the unboxing part, and then we'll go directly to the review in a second here, so hold on. And it just asked me for my registration information, which I gave it, and now we're going to continue. It's going to set up, my location, which is correct. And next it's going to ask me for my location, so I'll go ahead and do that and then be all set. That's fine. So it's asking me to download and install updates, which I'll do. And it's going to take about 10 more minutes to update this, so I'll just let that go for a little bit, and we'll come back to when this is completed. So I just wanted to close out this video with a review of what I think of the Echo Show 8. What I like the screen. The screen's really nice. It's got I believe it's 8, because it's an 8-inch screen, so super helpful in that way. And it does play a lot of content on here, so if you're interested in seeing different content, you can play videos, you can play music on here. There's nice speakers. I think there's stereo speakers, and there's all kinds of trivia things you can do. There's themes right here. It says try the theme, enable the Sims theme, and of course you can ask Alexa questions. So if I said, Alexa, tell me how the weather is now in the Philippines, it would...
Good morning, Philip. Currently, in Manila, Philippines, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly clear skies. Tonight, you can expect clouds with a low of 78 degrees.
So as you can see, there's visuals that go along with it, so I can, scroll and just get an idea. Of course, it's always a sponsored products as well. And then it has a camera. So actually I can look into this room when I'm not here, or I can lock it so you can't look into the room. But remotely, I can actually turn on the camera, interact with it, and it's really helpful. It's really actually kind of neat that you can do all this. So with any question you ask, you can also get some data. You can get all kinds of other information on here about stocks, I guess, and set alarms. Obviously, it does mostly everything other Alexa devices would do. And it's got all kinds of entertainment. Here's a Taylor Swift video. So yeah, there's a lot here to work with here. And of course, you can increase the volume here or lower it just by these buttons. And then there's speakers here. On the back end, you have a port. I think we can plug in a separate device. I actually have the optional stand as well. This doesn't come with Alexa device, which I think it should. It is very helpful, but it's also expensive. I think it was like, I want to say $25 or $29. So I actually thought it was overpriced for a piece of plastic, but it is super helpful to have it on a stand that you can swivel. So it's kind of a necessity. I wish it would come with the device from the very get-go, but it doesn't apparently. So, and then of course you can look into different products.
Here are the product details from Amazon. Bose new SoundLink Flex Bluetooth portable
so you can
speaker,
actually
wireless waterproof speaper for outdoor
add
travel,
the speaker to your
Cypress
car and
Green,
buy it, of course,
limited edition.
through Amazon if you wanted to. So there is a lot of advertisements on this, but it's not really anything that bothers me per se. I just find it, they do have some helpful hints. You can play news on here as well. So overall, I think it's a good buy. I would definitely recommend it because it has a lot of nice features that your regular Alexa device won't have. Just listen to the audio and not seeing any information. When you have an answer, you can also read it too. So it's helpful. If you missed exactly what Alexa responded to, you can actually look it up and see what the response is in text. So that's pretty helpful. So thanks again for watching, and definitely would recommend this device. The one thing I would say is that it's a 2021, so there might be a new device coming out. Sometimes they're better. They're not always better devices when they put out a new version, but hopefully for this one, it will be. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye, everyone.